We started the Masters in Development Studies program some 17 years ago in 1999. After a thorough needs assessment in both the public and private sector and also civil society, we realized we need more and better trained development practitioners and development professionals. I believe our program has been a great success. Almost 400 people have graduated from 20 different countries. The program was already externally assessed in 2006 and 2014 and received excellent external reports. The winning recipe, we believe, is actually the combination of theoretical and practical knowledge, applied knowledge, but also the interdisciplinarity nature of the program, and then the fact that we have a range of lecturers involved from 14 different disciplines. Trying to actually illustrate to our students the complex nature of challenges around development, underdevelopment and poverty.
I studied at UOPS doing Masters in Development Studies. The course is very interesting because it addresses current issues. Actually, I would say it's on the cutting edge because it talks about unemployment, inequality, and poverty, which are the things that are affecting our communities. I would encourage the youth of today, especially those coming from the rural areas, to come and do the Masters in Development Studies because the government is embarking on developing rural areas whereby after studying they would go back, plow back to the community they come from, create jobs, develop their communities.
They say only a coffee knows that feeling, and I believe human embrace is important for this program, and also the fact that we largely enlarge people's choices with the program. I thank you.